Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Raisin and today magkakaroon tayo ng technical analysis for Bitcoin. Now, kung makikita nyo dito sa ating screen, meron tayong blue line dito, no? So, ito yung Bitcoin halving natin. Nangyari yan last April 19, 2024, no? And kung pagmamasdan mo yung nangyari after the Bitcoin halving, it seems like it's so boring, okay? Mas mataas pa actually yung presyo nung nakaraan kesa nung pagkatapos ng Bitcoin halving. So, parang napaka-boring, wala masyadong ganap, nasa consolidation period lang tayo, and actually napakaraming tao yung naging negative about this one. They would say na nasa bear season na tayo, or they would say na tapos na yung glory days ni Bitcoin, kumbaga, okay? And kung pagmamasdan natin dito, no, ayan, sabi nila, actually nangyari na yung bull season for Bitcoin. Eto na yun, no, eto na yun, okay? Hindi na ito. Sabi nila alt season na ito, pabagsak na sa Bitcoin. Kasi nga nakikita nila yung decline ng prices, mababa yung presyo and all, no? Pero I want you guys to look at the bigger picture and I want to show you something very interesting, okay? Now, let's look at our monthly time frame, okay? And there you go. Nakikita nyo dito yung mga previous Bitcoin halving, okay? So the first one happened last November 2012. Okay, the next one happened last July 2016. The third one happened last May 2020. Okay, and the most recent happened last April 2024. Okay, now here's the exciting part. I will turn on our RSI. Okay, there you go. And then palakihin natin yung ating monitor. All right. Now pagmasdan yung mabuti dito, guys. Okay. So, last November 2012, after the Bitcoin halving, okay, ito yung blue line, anong nangyari? Napunta yung mga presyo sa oversold levels na Bitcoin. Anong ibig sabihin? During those times, tumaas ang presyo na Bitcoin, okay? Umabot sa oversold levels niya, naging color green, okay? Now, look at what happened at July 2016, okay? After the Bitcoin halving, okay, umakyat yung presyo, alright? Naging oversold yung presyo na Bitcoin, naging color green, alright? Last May 2020, ganun din, okay? After the Bitcoin halving, umakyat yung presyo, okay? Napunta sa oversold levels and naging color green. And look at our Bitcoin halving last April 2024, okay? Kung mapapansin nyo, we are still far from the oversold levels. In fact, hindi pa nga tayo nakaabot sa 70 levels ng RSI, okay? And yet, many people are very negative about it, okay? So, kung kayo guys na medyo negative kayo about Bitcoin and tingin nyo pabagsak na sa Bitcoin, then try to think again, okay? Posibleng bumagsak sa Bitcoin at a lower time frame, okay? Posibleng bumagsak siya ng around, let's say, 55 levels, 60 levels ulit, posible yun, okay? Kasi nasa lower time frame tayo. Pero kung pagmamasdan nyo siya into the bigger picture, you would see the potential here for Bitcoin na ay hindi pa pala natin naaabot yung peak, no? Hindi pa pala natin naaabot yung dulo. In fact, kung pagmamasdan nyo yung kanyang chart, ibang-iba yung galaw ni Bitcoin ngayon, okay? Mas maraming rason para maging excited kayo, okay? Una, nagkaroon na tayo ng all-time high, no? Nabasag na yung all-time high even before the Bitcoin halving, okay? Pangalawa, mga big institutions like BlackRock, okay? Yung mga investment funds, Choo, ino-offer na nila yung Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin ETF. Pangatlo, may mga countries na rin na nag-accept ng Bitcoin for modes of payment, okay? So, there are many things na nangyayari ngayon kay Bitcoin and yet, many people are still negative about it kasi nga ang tinitingnan lang nila is yung lower time frame, okay? Yung daily time frame lang. But guys, okay? Look at the bigger picture, okay? Mas maraming pwedeng i-offer sa atin sa Bitcoin sa mga susunod na linggo, sa mga susunod na buwan, okay? Or let's say sa mga susunod na taon. Napakahaba pa ng panahon and napakarami pang pwedeng mangyari, okay? In fact, kung susukatin natin mula dito, let's say, sa start ng Bitcoin halving, okay, going sa peak, nung nakaraan, umabot ito ng around, okay, 365 days. Okay, roughly lang yan guys And ito naman, Kung susukatin natin mula dyan hanggang dito sa pinakatuktok, okay, umabot ng around 518 days, okay? And kung eto naman, pagmamasdan natin mula dito sa Bitcoin halving and sukatin natin mula doon sa pinakatuktok niya, no? Okay, so eto, sa mga areas na to. Or abutin na lang natin kahit dito. Ayan. Kung mapapansin mo, that's 549 days. Okay? Uy, sorry, nakalimutan kong palakin yung ating monitor. Ayan, para mas makita niyo ng maayos. Okay? So, let's say, sa first Bitcoin halving, umabot tayo ng 365. Next, sa next Bitcoin halving natin, umabot ng 518. And ito naman, 549 days, no? Kung mapapansin nyo, pataas ng pataas yung time frame for the Bitcoin season, okay? Hanggang sa umabot doon sa pinakadulo or pinakamataas na presyo. Now, let's say, kahit abutin na lang natin ng 1 year, okay? Ibig sabihin guys, pwede pa nating ma-enjoy ang Bitcoin bull season, okay? Until April 2025, okay? Pero sabihin na lang natin na abutin din tayo ng around mga 500 days, okay? Ayan, 500 days. Pagpalagay na lang natin hanggang dyan. Then pwede pa tayong umabot ng hanggang around November 2025. But again, rough estimation lang yan and calculated guess lang yan guys, okay? Wala na tayong basehan dyan, kumbaga. Hindi na valid yung facts sa mga areas na ito kasi nga, ano na lang to siya, hula-hula na lang, okay? Pero dito na lang tayo, kahit dito na lang tayo sa previous areas na ito, no? These are factual information, okay? Nangyari talaga ito. Umabot ng 1 taon or umabot ng more than 1 year, no? Yung itinagal ng pagtaas ni Bitcoin. And yet, nagsisimula pa lang tayo, okay? So, be excited about this one kasi greater things are yet to come. Okay? So, sabi pa nga ng kanta ni Chris Tomlin, greater things are yet to come. Okay? Greater things are still to be done. Okay? So, yeah. That's our quick update for Bitcoin. And hopefully, hindi kayo na-discourage sa pag-i-invest dito kay Bitcoin. No? So, sana may natutunan kayo kahit konti. Now, kung nagustuhan niyo itong video na ito, please do leave a like or comment, no? Para naman magkaroon tayo ng interaction dito kasi gusto kayo nagkakaroon tayo ng exchanges of ideas, no? So anyways, thank you so much ulit sa panunood. Hanggang sa muli. Peace out.